Certain people with weakened immune systems are now able to receive a fourth dose of the coronavirus vaccine. Thanks for joining us for NBC4 at 11. I'm Audrey HASSON. NBC4's Jonathan Jackson spoke with doctors on this. And Jonathan, does this mean another shot is needed for everyone else?
Well, Audrey, not exactly. Because the immunocompromised are more vulnerable, doctors say it's important for them to probably get another dose of the vaccine. But as for everybody else, they say it's still too early to tell. As the fourth dose of the COVID vaccine becomes available to those 12 and up, health officials are urging those with weakened or damaged immune systems to consider making an appointment.
The booster is recommended for everyone, but for immunocompromised patients in particular, that the third shot is not a booster, is actually just part of the series.
Dr. Carlos Malvestuto is an infectious disease specialist at Ohio State University's WEXNER Medical Center. He says those who are immunocompromised should get at least 3 COVID shots, with the fourth being considered a booster, while those who are not immunocompromised should only need a third dose as their booster.
There's a very select few people that are going to qualify for this because it really is protecting those that need it the most.
For Columbus resident and immunocompromised patient R.E.A. Alex, he says getting his fourth shot was only a matter of time. He currently works as the commissioner for Columbus and Franklin County Metro Parks, but had to take some time away after catching COVID. Now he's glad to be able to receive his fourth shot.
I feel great. I'm glad to have that extra added protection.
But as for whether everyone will need a fourth shot, Dr. Malvestuto says research into that is still being done.
But, we are reacting to the science, where science is actually showing us what we need to do to maintain the highest level of protection, for everybody.
And right now, only about 3% of Ohioans are eligible for a fourth COVID shot, which means very few so far have gotten it at the moment. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Jonathan Jackson, NBC4.